Discover the avian world, where birds rule the skies. Feathered friends, each unique, each holding countless secrets. Did you know? Birds are the only animals with feathers, a magical blend of beauty and function. Imagine a world without music. Birds fill our world with melodious tunes. They are nature's orchestra. Ever marveled at a migrating bird? They embody resilience, navigating thousands of miles annually. Birds are architects too. They construct the most intricate nests, a testament to their creativity. Their eyesight is unparalleled, sharper than any human's. Remarkable beings, aren't they? Uncover the wonders of birds. Dive into their world.